Go. Right. Yep. We will be doing at least one video once a month. Like one of them fun videos once a month. You've already got one. I just brought you one.
Yo, Liam,
Right.
where are you? I want your pick.
Right.
I want your pickaxe.
Welcome to Free Broskies. We done our intro, but we didn't realise we weren't cool still. We meant to be an app. I promise you. That's
Okay, so Josh, explain what you said. Liam, here's your pick.
Alright, so this is Free Broskies here.
Because we're eeny, meeny, miny, mo miners, and we're gonna go mining.
Yeah.
Charlie is a eeny, meeny, miny, mo miner.
Shut up!
Oh,
we're
don't
copyrighted.
don't copyright us for that.
Yes, we are getting copyright. Right, guys, come on to mines. Come on down to the mines.
Charlie is a miny, 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 mo
Stop it,
miner.
Liam.
I like
Stop
watching
it,
mine.
Liam.
Liam, I will knock you out.
Let's
I like
come.
mining in animal company. Animal company.
Animal Company is beautiful game of the year. Beautiful game of the year.
Mining. No, my gold.
Who wants to go lava?
Who wants to go lava actually?
Everyone meet at the bottom. Everyone meet at the bottom.
Hold on, I'm just mining some
Right. Ow. Right, everyone in this cave. In this cave, I think. It is in this cave.
Guys, if you can't tell, I am
Guys, there's two clay gems together.
What? Oh my god, there is. Hold on, I'll open one crate, Josh.
Yeah, I just got two purple gems from them both.
Damn.
Maybe just the one then. I thought it was two.
Who
What
just
is
got
that?
hit by Armstrong? Did Liam die?
No, he's alive. Guys, I found lava, I think. Yep, it's lava.
Wait,
Where'd you go?
Here.
where's Liam?
Don't know.
I don't know, where did you lot go?
Hey,
Liam! Go to the bullets!
Go to the what?
in here. Oh my god. There's so much gold down there. It's mad.
Yeah, this is where I got my gold from. What do you have on my door? Nah, guys, don't waste your backpack space with gold.
Oh, too late. Let me drop it here.
Come here, spoon down. I'm gonna eat you.
What, should we dropping all of it? All the gold?
I'd say
Yeah,
yeah.
because lava's more.
Guys, I'm going down the hatch. We better go Mario. Maybe not. Let's go Mario style.
Go, go, go!
Have you guys seen that guy who tried to bring Spider or Timothy as one of them down there? Oh, who's this? Oh, it's Ethan. I got Liam the basketball backpack and me the leper because then we can tell who's which.
But
by
you
that.
might get caught last time.
We have better backpacks, you know. Jesus Christ. Also, Ethan, are you coming to the Sea Life Centre tomorrow?
I don't know.
I've been asking you all morning. So,
I know.
Oh, here it is. Mini spider, mini spider. Help me.
We left Liam.
Wait, is Liam still in there?
Yeah.
Come on. Oh, thank goodness. Sorry, Liam. I deserve to get hit. You already hit me, so you don't deserve to hit me again. Why did you scream? Ethan, where are you?
In the room with the golden stuff.
Tesco. I feel the need for speed. Is it on me?
I'm just too good for them.
Damn it.
Josh, there's something wrong with my bag.
What do you mean?
Apparently my bag is full.
It probably isn't. You're probably holding it the wrong way, you idiot.
No, look, watch this.
Oh yeah, that's weird.
Oh, wait.
Of course, invincible trick. When you try to show someone, it always breaks. Ah, damn it.
Liam, are you down there, boy?
Yes, I'm somewhere.
Guys, I might be dipping soon. I got some good. I'm almost full, so I gotta go. I'm that heavy. Poor Liam just said he has nothing, Ethan.
I died because
I'm leaving. Oh, Liam, where are you? Ethan's Liam's not talking for his radio. I don't trust that.
Josh, come
Absolute-
here.
Hang on.
Josh, look at this.
No, you better not die to kiss me. How much money do you think we're going to get from that? Is that Liam in VR world?
I think so.
It has to, because no one would have the same avatar as us.
It says King on VR.
Guys,
Yeah.
Are you in VR?
yeah, what? Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hang on. What's his name?
Are you in VR?
I can't tell his name.
Josh, am I in that VR headset?
I'm in the VR room.
Oh yeah.
Stop!
No. You die. You die to the remaining order.
I'm
As long
getting
as
RPG and get.
Oh, Ethan, guess what I just figured out?
What?
We can sneak attack him. When he comes out, we just fire RPGs at him.
I'm gonna go blow up VR world, BRB.
What?
Kind of area mine.
Liam, where are you? Oh yeah, you're in VR. Can you come out, please?
Coming back with you some.
Hey boys.
Okay, boys.
No. Wait, what? How the hell? Did I just see that right?
Did I be shot?
Liam has rocket launcher.
And then you can return for that.
That's cold.
We need to kill Ethan. Where's he gone?
Don't know. Where has he gone? Oh, there he is.
Come on.
My aim sucks.
Your aim sucks, boy!
My aim is terrible.
You
He's dead.
missed!
You're gay.
You suck!
All I heard was bang. Then I saw Ethan die.
I didn't die.
Not die, but I saw my body thinking it was you. I came back, but it wasn't me. I'm not standing. Someone has to go.
Just random, but
Somebody needs to go eat their eggies. Who will it
fine,
be
I
though?
will.
Right,
Me.
right, go out, go out.
Your aim sucks, boy. Bro, your aim sucks.
No. Yeah, he does. Guys, who wants to do Haunted Mansion run?
I have a key.
Oh, who wants to do an office run?
No. I thought. Actually, yeah, let's do office run.
But
3 eggs, 3 key cards. What do you want to make Sigma?
Sigma.
What do you want to make really cool, Liam?
A hook shot.
I will do umbrella for difference.
Alright, I'll get my item.
Get the hell.
Why did you do that, Josh?
Oh, me? I don't know what you mean. Look, I'm inside office. What did I do? Can I have some help? No, why? Why? Just why? Why? Whoever done that, just why?
I know where my stuff is.
Yeah, my stuff is everywhere, really.
My stuff's here.
I think that was Liam. That was my stuff. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I ain't doing this. I ain't going office. I ain't going office. Liam, you've ruined my day.
Bro, it's just a joke, it's not that serious.
Yeah, Josh.
Liam, you're the one who
Because
done
I'm
it.
not trying to ruin your fun. Alright,
Let's go.
I will sacrifice myself for Jeff.
Yeah, nah, it's fine. It's fine, Liam. I'm getting my. Liam, I'm gonna shout at you.
I just killed myself because I knew what you were trying to do.
Come on, let's go.
Josh, you're hook shot!
Liam, why'd you leave me?
That weren't Liam.
Why would you do that, Josh?
Because again.
Liam, where you at?
Hello. Hello.
Liam, you got an office?
Hello, Liam. Are you in the elevator, Ethan?
Oh, stop calling it down.
I keep thinking in the elevator. Tell me when you're in the elevator and I'll do it. Are you in the elevator? Are you in the elevator?
Let's go get a hook shot so you can make it cool.
I have a hook shot. Actually, I already have a hook shot on me. I'm going to call the elevator down and go up, right?
Now,
What?
come back up.
I'm here. I use some magic. Where's Liam? Oh, there he is.
Well, I was humping Frego's face.
Oh, great. I think the elevator's glitch. I think
Yeah,
I've
you broke it.
won. Come on, guys, there's another way. I was showing you.
Yeah, now we
revive
grab
me.
his ghosts.
Revive me.
No, revive him! Revive him!
Yeah, shoot him. Shoot him.
Revive him!
Thanks. Revive me. Yay. Thank you. Look at my.
We'll have to join a different code.
No, there's another
We have to
way.
join a different code.
No, there's another way. Now I'll show you the other way.
No.
Come on, follow me. No. Ethan, do you want to leave? Ethan, do you want to leave?
Liam, what the flip?
Now, I'm going to purposely kill Liam now. What the heck?
So, how old can you get to office then, Josh?
There's a little computer there. Stop killing each other now, it's getting on my nerves.
Go on, Liam.
Is it just me or guys, is Liam like really in a bad mood today? He's just being so annoying. I mean, where is everyone? Oi! Are you leaving?
Are we still going office?
Yeah, I'm just filing my emails.
Same, I need to do my...
Alright, let's go. Come on.
I'm already at office.
Don't tell me you went down.
No, I'm in, I went through the computer.
You can't go through the computer.
Yes, you can. You know that giant tree that sprouts out of office?
Cool.
If you just jump through the TV,
Okay.
look, there, leads out.
I know.
Alright, let's go. Come on. We need 3 key cards.
Why the hell do you sound like a grown-out man?
God damn it, my GPS is not there. Come here, I'm gonna shoot you!
Getting flashed.
Hell yeah!
I swear to God, if you would have done that, I would just go back to home world right now. Key cards, key cards.
Wait, because I've only got 1 key card.
How many do we need?
3.
Tree?
Yeah.
Why do you want a tree?
I said
3, because 3.
It's a tree.
Say 3 is...
I've got one. Oh, what is this? Yeah, guys, I found a trophy.
Give me the key card. No, not the trophy, the key card.
Another key card.
Oh,
Where?
I can't.
Oh my God, I've got a key card.
Josh, drop it. In the bag.
Bruh, can someone put this in the bag?
Now guys, let's escape her.
Wait, Liam, do you want to make that call?
Tesco, what?
Where are you?
Tesco, washing for entertainment.
Go to the exit door, Liam. Liam, come here.
Tesco, washing.
Let's go whoosh. You're not dead?
I'm still recording. Just run, just run. Just stop looking at her and
Go! Liam, wrong door.
run faster. Run fast. Shit.
Liam, look at her. Liam, where you at?
Be quick.
Where's Liam?
He's at me.
I'm opening the door.
Hello.
Get through. Run.
The fact that I'm doing this is going hook or anything.
He's definitely got on.
How are you going to escape Fregley?
He won't.
In ways you'll never know.
Wait, I have a spare revolver.
I'll have it.
I don't actually. It's too deep in my bag.
Right, we cover Liam. We cover Liam.
Josh, you have a revolver.
Good job, boy.
Let's go.
Where are you?
Come on,
I
Liam.
told you I'd survive.
Yeah. Door's shutting.
Right, one egg's in. I'm putting in my weapon.
Weapon?
Scan that key card, Josh.
I don't have a key card.
They're all up here.
Oh, you fat rat.
Let's go, America.
I'm having this one.
Oh, there's a little baby.
Right, I got mine. What about this?
How many did you get, Josh? I've got one.
I got 3.
Guys,
I've got
but I
one.
can't carry them.
I'll put
Why?
them in my bag. So the first two
Nah.
are yours, Liam.
Well, if we just go back, when we go back, how about we just pick them?
Pass. Oh, wait, Liam. Do you not have another slot?
No.
Just hold that one.
It's fine. You don't really need
Right,
to, right?
Liam, your item's up next.
What's his trophy? I got my item.
Put it in the bag. Keep it in your
Yeah,
bag.
drop it.
Shall I put key card?
Scan that key card.
Why
Tiny
did you put a
flashlight.
torch in there?
I didn't. What? I put the thingy in there.
Yeah, I saw
I
him.
put the.
Yeah, but of course I threw Liam's torch off. So how would it get in?
Liam, the first
And
one
is that red torches? Is that turn that on?
Yes. Liam.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
cool.
red.
Look. Oh, that's cool.
What happened to the hooks?
Right, can I put my item in?
Yep, put your item in.
Oh, hand. I gotta go through all my stuff now. Are they there? 16.
Yeah. Liam, which one's yours?
I'm having this.
I want a tiny one.
This one.
Yeah.
Right, I'm restarting.
Right, reset your
Can you
game.
put this in your bag?
Yeah, Liam. Drop it. Right. Oh, I'm so dizzy. I'm so damn dizzy.
Fairy face.
Where's Liam? Alright. How about
Right, guys. Dump everything out. Dump everything
Yeah.
out.
my headset battery's
Hold
low?
on. Right, dump everything out so we know who's to choose.
I'd say we take.
Okay.
I'd say we
Right,
trade.
So I know this is mine.
I'd say we just trade.
And this is mine. Liam,
I want this giant
Liam,
pink
you know your
one.
items. That's yours, Liam.
I want this giant pink flash.
Mine.
This.
Liam, this is yours.
Yeah, I'm here. This is me.
But how can you not tell
that's
with
yours.
the turtle head?
I had a big
Liam,
one.
yours.
Here.
Is that everything?
I had a
this
tiny
is-
shot. I had a tiny gun.
Tiny gun. Here.
Yeah.
What about this big one here?
This is all Liam stuff.
Oh, Liam, bag.
Right.
Right,
And
I've
then
got to
this
go.
is mine.
I've got to go. Right, let's go onto the sofa to do our outro. Ethan, you know what to get for the outro. Ethan, come here.
Do you guys want to go again? Liam, this is
No,
yours, I think.
my headset battery's low.
I want to do a What's mine? Oh.
Right.
Open your bag.
Right. Come on. I'm such an idiot. I'll see how the pain is. I'll see how the pain is. Everyone to the sofa.
Liam, do you want to say goodbye to it then?
No.
Why do I keep doing that? Did I just send it? Right, everyone on the sofa, come on. I'm trying to do my outro. Do you want my headset to die? Like that? Who wants my headset to die and no outro? Who wants my headset to live and we do an outro?
Guys, buy me a bunch of big broccoli.
No, we're doing our outro. Come on. Stop it! No. Hush. You know what I have to say to all that? One on my back.
Buy us some too, Josh.
No. I never approved of this, just so you
Put our
know.
hands. Buy me an RPG.
No. Get you out, boy.
I caught it. Let's go.
Liam, I'll buy you some. Liam. Eat.
Damn it, I keep missing.
Guys, buy you all.
30!
I'm timed out. Stop, Josh.
Ah, you make me angry.
Oh,
You make me angry.
what?
How about, Ethan? Here you go. Oh, here you go.
I'm timed out, Liam. Josh. Help me out, Josh.
No, I ain't getting you big. I will do our damn outro.
Josh, help.
I ain't wasting my money. You know how broke I get, how fast I get.
Ethan.
Liam.
Ethan.
Wait, Liam, I'm gonna eat it this time. I'm gonna eat it.
There's a piece of sticky dynamite on your bowl.
Liam, buy me some.
Fine, I'll help, I guess.
Let's go.
I'm timed out now. Guys, I have to let him rip, sorry.
Are you still recording, Josh?
I don't know if I'm on earth from how much I'm doing this.
Josh.
Help me, Stinky. Oh, Liam, it's so stinky. I'm so stinky. Ugh. Ah. Liam, can you turn on the shower for me? Liam, come give me a hug. Come give me a hug. Come give
I'm
me
off the border, guys!
come give me a hug. Come on, Liam. Come give me a hug. Just
Guys, you see rockets to get them off the tree, I'm there.
come on, Liam. Give me a hug. Thank you.
Always see my lips, I know if I see you. Liam, look up! I see you. Boys, look up and watch your rockets. I'm above the border.
Oh my god, that's like a world-ending event for fighting man.
Hi, Josh.
Right, well, stinky. Oh my god, the biggest bounce. Oh my god, I'm flying. I'm actually
Guys, I'm
flying.
already falling to my death. Oh no, I'm stuck outside the border.
Oh no, I'm stuck outside the border. Now, guys, I'm gonna do the biggest bounce ever. I'm gonna do the biggest bounce ever. Ready? Right, here we go. Oh my god, I'm flying! I'm flying! Right, time for that. Bye, guys. Bye bye. Bye. Farting on my nan. Farting. Where the hell do I press unrecord? Where? What the?